This is a Beyblade. And I put a rubber band on the bottom of it because it makes it much more faster to beat the other person. And if I can show you very quickly, yeah, this is a launcher. It comes with a ripcord and the main blade, and you can take the top off it. You can rearrange it, but I don't have any other Beyblades, so I'll be getting some more. And I've attached this rubber band to it, so I'll show you. First, you put it like that. You twist it. Then you put it on the Beyblade performance tip. Then you keep on doing that same thing until it goes really down. It's a bit tricky, but you'll manage to do it in the end. You could ask your mom or dad to do it, but it's kind of tricky. And there it is. So this is the launcher by itself. And this attach is in this hole. You clip it on, you twist it, then you launch it. So this is a Beyblade. I didn't put my stickers on it. I put my Beyblade in water by accident, so it went off. And this goes in the slot here, and you twist it like this. Oh, I thought about that. You get him from Morrison, Argos, and Toys R Us, their Wakefield, and other places. Goodbye.